Hi, my name's Matt from a Monitor Audio Group, and in this video we're going to be unboxing the Caspian streaming amplifier. Caspian Series 4G is built around the concept of total high-fidelity performance, a classic range that never forgets its aim to deliver breathtaking sonic performance, coupled with true flexibility and versatility. Before we begin, remember to like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on any future content. Now, let's start unboxing the amplifier. Now let's have a look at what you get inside the box. You get a lithographic print of your Caspian amplifier with quick start instructions on the back. And you get this accessory box, which contains your documents, your remote control, and 2 batteries, and your power cords. Now let's get the amplifier out of the box. So now it's unboxed, let's power it on and get it set up. To set up your Caspian streaming amplifier, you'll need to download the Maestro Unite app on your phone from the App Store or Google Play Store. The Maestro Unite app allows you to set up your Monitor Audio Group connected products, create systems, download firmware updates, and configure your listening experience. Start by opening the Maestro Unite app, then tap the plus symbol. Start by giving your system a name. Then your phone will find your amplifier using Bluetooth. Select your amplifier and enter the code that displays on the front of the amplifier. You'll see a list of Wi-Fi networks that your amplifier can connect to. Bear in mind, your amplifier can only connect to 2.4 GHz networks. Enter the password for your network. Once your amplifier is connected to your Wi-Fi network, the setup is complete. Inside the app, there's different ways to configure your Caspian streaming amplifier. If you want to stream music using BlueOS, you need to download the BlueOS app from the App Store or Google Play Store. So now your amplifier is set up and ready to go. For more information about the Caspian streaming amplifier, visit roksan.com or leave a comment on this video.